What's up, guys? It's Gorilla Tech Theorist, and today I'm going to be doing a 1v1, but both of the players have handcuffs on. If you watched my last video where I played Infection with handcuffs on, yeah, I took it so far that I decided to 1v1 with handcuffs on. So, and the same handcuffs I was using before, they're actually fake, so. And my headset's about to die, so let's do this quick. Alright, start.
Ouch. I just
Bro.
You're it.
No, you are.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah,
Oh, it's fine.
Alright. Say it. Say it.
Ready? Run and run. Run and run.
No.
Where's my controller? Wait.
No! No. Bruh. How long was that?
Like 10 seconds. Chico. Ready, set?
Run.
Set. Oh shoot.
I'm actually fast, bro.
Wait, stop my controllers. My controllers, no.
I've been working with handcuffs.
Redo it. Cause my lips, wait, look at my hand. I'm literally stuck together. Just restart it.
My handcuffs are going crazy.
I can literally hear them. Wow.
You can hear them well?
Run and run. Run and run. Say it. What the hell? I just juked you.
Bruh.
Normal 1v1.
That was like 5 seconds.
Done.
Alright. Let's go back. See how long I can survive.
Are we doing normal now?
No, still handcuffs.
Nuh-uh.
We'll do normal after the video. Plus my headset's about to die.
Well, then do it quickly, because then you can finish it with someone in a bit.
Alright.
Run and run.
No.
What the hell's my
Run.
doing? Nuh-uh. I meant to say it, right? Come on.
Have to get on top of stump. How?
Got him.
No way you have handcuffs on. I actually have handcuffs on. Like I'll show you guys right now. I'll walk out of my boundary and show y'all. I'm gonna do it. I don't know if it'll work or not, because my boundary doesn't really show in videos. Let's see.
Bro, I can hardly move.
Yep, see. Alright, so I don't know if you guys saw that. I just showed it to y'all. I'm actually wearing handcuffs. I've just been practicing. I don't know about this guy. I'm pretty sure he's faking. Because no way you're that good with handcuffs on.
We do normal 1v1.
Sure. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. 1v1ing with handcuffs on.
Dead.
Gorilla Tech Theorist.
I'm like dead.
Please like and subscribe.